model, 2017 Mercedes Vito 119CDI short wheelbase, compact cruise sport automatic. Body, blue, crew cab. Mileage, 280996. MOT, the 27th of February 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 190 HP. Transmission, automatic, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, parking sensors, aircon, cruise control, sat-nav, reversing camera, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,625. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.